Greetings and welcome to a new video. In this video I will introduce you to a software that you can use to downgrade from iOS 16 to iOS 15 without a jailbreak. The software is tenosharereiboot and it is both available for Windows and for Mac. It is free to try. If you like it, you can buy it. Now to start the downgrade process, first make sure that the Find My iPhone of your device is off. Go to settings. Now tap Find My. Now tap Find My iPhone. Now simply type your password here and click Turn Off. Once done, we can proceed further. The next step is to open iTunes and connect your device. We will have to take a backup of the device. So take a backup on this computer and click Backup Now. Alright, when the backup is complete, we are good to go. Now finally open reiboot and connect your iDevice via USB. Now you will see downgrade iOS option right here. Open it. In this video we will use deep downgrade and then click deep downgrade button. You can see here that my iPhone is connected and it is on iOS 16.0. This will downgrade it to iOS 15. Now if you want to let the software download the IPSW for iOS 15, you can simply click download, and if you have downloaded the IPSW yourself, you can simply click import local firmware. Now select the IPSW that you have downloaded for your device and now simply click open. Now click start deep downgrade. Now click continue and this will now start verifying the firmware. You can see it is deep downgrading. Now guys, after the verifying process of the package is done, you will see downgrading the device. So please wait here. The estimated time is 10 minutes. Alright, so the downgrade process is almost done. It is 92% complete now. Alright guys, the downgrade process is done. Now simply normally just set up your device and then you can start using iOS 15. Alright, so guys, you can see that we are back on iOS 15. The latest at the time of making this video is 15.6.1. So now we need to restore the backup that we have created with iOS 16. The backup of iOS 16 will not work directly, so we will have to modify it to restore on iOS 15. The process is very simple. Windows R and type here %app data and %, press enter. Now you will see Apple computer. Open this folder, then mobile sync, backup, and you will see the folder with these numbers. Open it, scroll down and you will find info.playlist. Right click and open it with Notepad. Here you will have to just modify this string, that is 16.0, just modify it to 15.0. Rest everything is okay. Now simply save it and now you are done. Now again open iTunes and now simply click restore backup. Click restore. And now this will start restoring the backup you created on iOS 16 on iOS 15. Also on your device you will see restore in progress, and once it is done your device will restart. Alright, so after the restore process is done you will see restore completed. Now continue and set up your device normally. Alright guys, now after the restore, now you are good to go. So you can check it out that I am now on 15.6.1 with everything restored back up. That's all for this video guys. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye.